Hey guys, so what's happening to Hlcm, Phen, and the PSEI? Check this video out. Hey guys, good evening from San Francisco. I know the market's just opening there. We just finished with, actually my wife finished most of her shopping. She'll do a lot, but we're just about to go back to our hotel. We're gonna have dinner in a bit, but I just wanted to update you on what's happening in the markets. When the markets were closed kanina, I gave an update on Holcim and the PSE, but there's more movement right now when as the market starts to open. So I don't know where you guys and what are you doing with your stocks, no? But I just wanted to update you on just three stocks, and also especially for Fed, no, a lot of people were asking about it, so I just want to talk about it for a bit. So first things first, Holcim. Holcim has been amazing. I've been tracking this and giving you updates on this for the past few months already. Ever since it started to reverse from the 5 peso level, the stock has been crushing it. It's now times 3 from where it was a few months ago. That's the power of a breakout. That's the power of a reversal. That's how amazing the market is. No, Holcim is up 300 plus percent. It's at 15.30. All of this, is in the first hour of trading. By the way, Radel Chongson is watching. Happy birthday to you, Mr. Chongson. Celebrate his birthday this May 25 at Samsung Hall for Icon 2019. Anyways, back to Holcim. So for Holcim, what's very interesting about Holcim is SMC. I posted another video on this. Now, what's very interesting about Holcim is that uh, SMC bought it, 85 plus percent of Holcim for $2.2 billion. And in the last video that I posted, I mentioned that what's interesting about that is SMC overpaid for it. It's around 20 plus pesos per share at the purchase price. So at 15 pesos right now, 15.3, it's still lower than the purchase price of SMC. So here's what's interesting. If there will be any market movement, market sentiment for it, there's a possibility na habulin niya yung 20 peso price. But you know me, my style is not to base it on that. My style is to base it on technicals. What I do know is this. At 15.3, it broke out already from the resistance of 14.4. That's one, which is very important. Very significant. And because of that, there's a resistance to at 15.4. If there will be selling that will be happening, it's primarily because of the 15.4 resistance. And one thing you need to remember is this. Any hesitation that you will see now for the stock is because, number one, news has already been out. That's one. That's what you call sell and news for a lot of people. Number two is because there's a resistance at 15.4 pesos per share. So if 15.4, if the stock does not break out from the 15.4 level, what you can consider is basically this. You have to check if 14.4 will hold, because that's now our new small support. You have to remember, smaller breakouts mean smaller support ranges. Let's see if 14.4 will hold. But if the 15.4 level will hold, you know what's amazing about that? We could see Holcim challenge all-time highs. We could see Holcim go up, and the shot for it to go to 20 will be pretty much intact. It will be pretty much possible. That's why you can build wealth in the stock market, because you just have to follow breakouts. You just have to follow what the charts are telling us. So by the way, for position traders, Holcim still in an uptrend. No need to sell yet if you are a position trader. Let's see how far this uptrend will bring the stock. Let's see how far this uptrend will push it higher. No, that's what I love about it. It allows you to trade, and it allows you to just analyze it from where it is. So for position traders, no sell signal. For quick traders, watch out for the resistance at 50.4. Watch out for the support at 40.4. That could be a trigger also for you if 40.4 does not hold, there could be more selling possible. Next, for Fen, the stock is still in an uptrend. Short, mid, and long-term indicators denote that Fen is still moving up. Fen is still pushing up. So if you own Fen and you are a position trader, no need to sell yet. I'll try to underline the charts here. Now I'll put this video in YouTube also, and I'll put the charts here so you can analyze it with me, and you will see how the uptrend is going. So for Fen, you are a position trader, no need to sell. Hold your positions still. Your goal is to maximize the trend, and that's what makes the market amazing. No? You can win as long as you follow, where the trend is headed. And as of now, Phen still moving up, no need to sell. However, where it is right now, there's a resistance at this level. I placed the resistance in the description below. The interesting thing about that is this: if that does not hold, you may see some short-term selling. But if it does continue and push and goes up, that will position Phen to go much higher. So, very very interesting days for Phen. The PSCI though slightly up, but it's still under the notion that 7.8 is the support. It did not hold 7.8, so you can expect that the next possible support, you have to remember, between a stronger support and a weaker support, the stock will try to gravitate to the stronger support. The stronger support is at 7,500. So until it holds, until it goes to the 7,500 level, we may expect the market to just range. So I don't know how strong, how long will this be, but if it goes back to 7.8, good. The market will oscillate from 7.8 to 8.1, and there will be selling around the 8.1 levels. If it does not hold, what's interesting is the retracement will bring it to 7,500 pesos per share, 7,500 as the index, and the sideways market will still be prevalent. The sideways market will still be intact. But if 7.5 does not hold, guys, we might be in a new downtrend. You have to remember this. Whenever a strong support is broken, a new trend will form, and if 7.5 does not hold, there's a possibility that it could push and go lower. So that's it for now. Next week, I'll be in Singapore, inviting you for technical analysis there. The week after that, Investment Conference 2019, the largest investment conference in the country. And lastly, June, Stock Smarts, Manila. So I guess that's it for now. I hope that videos like this educate you, and videos like this show you, that you can trade the markets wherever you are in the world. Videos like this can help you, that even if you're busy, you can trade the stocks with confidence. You can trade the markets with confidence. And it can be done regardless of how busy you are, regardless of what time zone you are in. You can trade and you can win, and you can use the stock market to help you reach your goals of financial freedom. So this is Marvin Dermo from downtown San Francisco. I hope this video helps you trade well, trade strong, trade smart. See you all again soon, guys, and God bless you all.